for us, it's not really about the bike, right? They're all the same, let's be honest. It's about the people who build it, the people who are going to use it.
Looking for a bike that can help you improve your riding experience? Look no further. Our bike is AI-powered and is designed to enhance your ride with features like real-time performance training.
Let's not think about the product specifically, but rather the people that we serve with this product. Freedom. Autonomy. Dreams. When you buy a Candidate limited edition children's bicycle.
Ladies and gentlemen, today, and today only, I am offering you the opportunity of a lifetime. You can own a piece of incredible, iconic movie memorabilia in the bike that Elliot rode with his team.
Charlie got to laugh and clap. Give it to me too. Pretty for your son. Pretty for your daughter. Pretty for you. Take it with you anywhere.
Get out there, have some little freedom. In today's economy, it doesn't take any gas. You don't even have to plug it in.
Imagine this. You're leaving CKO in August, it's really hot. You're going from Resorts World to the Venetian, and all of a sudden, you get to the Venetian, you're sweating, it's 119 degrees, and you need a margarita! We created hit the margarita!
Life's too short to wait in traffic or maintaining that boring pre-owned certified Kia. Don't let life pass you by.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to announce DB500 Next slide, please.
But we are Team Unstoppable here with our flagship product, the Unstoppable bike.
You'll never fall. A bike look this fine. What that makes you look cool. Riding with your boo.
So other than this being a fidget spinner for your children, for yourself, if you want to relax, you can use this when you're out on a picnic to mash potatoes.
Thank you for the bike. Thank you. Thank you so much for my bike.
Thank you, Databricks!